All right, please welcome to the stage, Jono.
Hello, hello. All right. Hey, everybody. Has heard of the OWASP Top 10? Okay, cool. Oh, it's a popular thing. Okay. What can I say about me? I am a software engineer. I've been doing it for a long time. I also do a bunch of open source stuff. And security stuff is very interesting to me. Working on development teams, you'd be surprised how many people have not heard of the OWASP Top 10. Why should you care? If you're writing code, you need to understand why it breaks. And it's a lot of fun to break, also. Okay, so penetration testing, if you happen to not know what it is, it's like an authorized way to attack something, attack a surface. We're talking mostly about web stuff here, because that's mostly what I'm working in. And it's legal. Some people get paid to do it, you know. Why do we practice? Because you get better at understanding what the exploits are. And doing it in a safe environment matters, not just going and hacking some big company. I mean, that's okay too, but that's what people get paid for in a legitimate way. The OWASP, if you don't know what it stands for, it's an organization called the Open Web Application Security Project. It's a community. They do a lot of work to collect information and educate people about security practices. The OWASP Top 10, that's a mouthful, is the top 10 most vulnerable things that the group has decided are important at the time. You've probably heard of a lot of these individually, but they also change over time. And here's like some sample ones: broken access control, crypto failures, insecure design, and it's not just web necessarily. So I'm going to just talk about one of them to give an example. Injection, probably the most widely known one, is when there's user input and it's not sanitized, so it can do something malicious on your system. You will probably know this slide here: SQL injection, Bobby tables. Everyone here knows this, but not everybody knows this. ORMs do help. We use them. They can only help you so much. They shouldn't. Okay. The UI doesn't show them a button, so this is sort of the security through obscurity sort of thing. This is very important because you're trying to make a secure site. Cross-site scripting. This is where the user can inject something on the browser side and have it execute something that the user didn't want. It's like another type of injection. It doesn't change that often, but when it does, it keeps up with things. A couple years ago, they added some GraphQL injection stuff, which I think is very relevant, or it was a couple years ago. GraphQL seems to have already come and gone. Your browser is a tool. That's the main tool we use in this workshop. You just need your web console, a regular browser, maybe some extensions, usually not much else. That's one of the reasons why I often give this to people who are not even developers. Okay, OWASP Zap is an application that helps you do a bunch of attacks. It will guide you through a bunch of things. It has built in the top 10 attacks. You can do spraying attacks, dictionary attacks, all this stuff. And it has scripting built in. The OWASP Juice Shop itself is a vulnerable application that is made for attacking. That's what we use in the workshop. It is a gamified system that actually gets you through some of the challenges and keeps track of it. Here's what the Juice Shop looks like. It's a very conventional web app. You can order things, you can have conversations, there's support, there's ratings and privacy policies and all this stuff you'd see on a regular site. So on the site, you're actually seeing your scores. So there's a separate scoreboard area, and actually the first challenge is to find the scoreboard because it's sort of hidden. But you'll see how far you are, and you could spend a long time doing it. This is a CTFD server. This is a way, if you want to plug it together so everyone is running their own instances, you can see everyone's score over time, and it's kind of fun for people to watch. There's a ton of other stuff. We're the Linux people, so we know about SCaLE and Metasploit and that stuff. There's a CTF event here tomorrow, I think, over in the other building. Capture the flag, if you don't know what that is. And that's it.
Maybe the juice shop should come to game night next year. Let us know what you think.